He was one of the first disciples Jesus ever called, and he was the very first apostle to shed his blood for the gospel. This is the incredible story of James, the son of Zebedee. James, along with his brother John, immediately left their fishing nets behind to follow Jesus. He was part of the inner circle, witnessing amazing miracles, the glorious transfiguration, and even the resurrection. But James's fiery passion and bold proclamation of the truth made him a prime target for those who opposed Christ. Around the year 44 AD, King Herod Agrippa I saw James as a threat to his authority and had him arrested. Without hesitation, Herod ordered James to be executed by the sword, making him the first of the 12 apostles to die for his faith. But James's death was far from the end. It actually ignited a fire of courage in the other disciples and strengthened the early church, showing that following Jesus can cost everything, yet it yields an eternal glory that can never fade. Share this story if you're willing to stand boldly for Jesus, and follow the Beatz breaker for more stories of the apostles who gave everything for the gospel.